Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about TYK Medicines-B interim report. TYK Medicines, Inc. offers a diverse range of pharmaceutical products and services through its clinical stage biopharmaceutical business. Some of the key businesses and services provided by the company include research and development of third-generation EGFR tyrosine kinase inhibitors for non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, commercialization of oral cyclin-dependent kinase, CDK4/6, ZDK4/6, and CDK7 inhibitors for solid tumors, development of selective ROS proto-oncogene 1/neurotrophic tyrosine receptor kinase inhibitors for solid tumors, research and development of EGFR degraders, and exon 20, insertion TKI targeting NSCLC with EGFR exon 20, or HEARTWO exon 20 insertions, potent and selective rearranged during transfection proto-oncogene, RET, inhibitors for advanced NSCLC, medullary thyroid cancer, and other solid tumors with RET gene alterations, development of YES-associated protein transcriptional enhanced associate domain inhibitors for cancer treatment. These businesses and services aim to provide innovative solutions for the treatment of various types of cancers. The stock price crash of TYK Medicines-B, a year of decline. TYK Medicines-B, HKG, 2410, has experienced a significant stock price crash of over 50.55% in the past year, primarily driven by concerns over its financial performance. The company's inability to generate revenue and ongoing losses have been major contributors to this decline. Despite narrowing losses, TYK Medicines failed to report any revenue in the first half of 2025, leading to a 5.66% stock plummet on August 31, 2025. Analysts predict that the company will remain loss-making until 2027, and revenue is not expected until 2026. The broader pharmaceutical market downturn, partly influenced by reports of restrictions on Chinese pharmaceuticals, has also impacted TYK Medicines' stock price. The company's significant daily drops, including an 18.68% drop on August 19, 2025, have further contributed to its decline. As a result, the stock is trading at $15.28 as of September 16, 2025, representing a substantial decline from its 52-week high and indicating an approximate 67.67% drop. The combination of these factors has led to TYK Medicines-B's stock price crash in the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline are multifaceted, reflecting the dynamic nature of a company's financial performance. On the growth side, key factors include exclusive licensing agreements with major pharmaceutical companies, such as Livzon Pharmaceutical Group Inc., which can significantly boost revenue through royalties and sales. Additionally, pipeline products like T-Immunis 2000, 136 billion, and TY2699A have the potential to generate substantial income upon approval and launch. Furthermore, investments in artificial intelligence models are driving innovation in research and development, R&D, leading to new product opportunities and increased revenue streams. The expansion of industrial production systems, such as the new solid dosage form factory project, also contributes to growth by increasing manufacturing capacity and efficiency. On the other hand, revenue decline is often driven by decreases in R&D costs, which can be a sign of reduced investment in innovation. Other income and gains may also decrease due to various market or economic factors. However, an increase in research and development costs can be both a driver of growth and a cause of decline, depending on the context. The company is struggling to generate positive operating cash flow. The financial summary reveals a significant net cash used in operating activities, with a total of RMB 242,315 in negative cash flow over the 2-year period. This indicates that the company's expenses are exceeding its revenues, resulting in a substantial outflow of cash from operations. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes in recent periods. In terms of debt level, the company has experienced a decrease in its overall debt. From December 31, 2024 to June 30, 2025, the debt decreased by RMB 5,314,000 from RMB 144,175,000 to RMB 138,861,000. Additionally, interest-bearing bank and other borrowings increased from 0 to RMB 8,006,000. However, it is worth noting that while there was an increase in interest-bearing debt, the overall decrease in debt level suggests a reduction in financial obligations. Furthermore, the company's interest expenses have also seen significant increases, with a 35.3% and plus 23.6% rise reported on different pages of the summary. Overall, these changes indicate a shift towards reducing the company's debt burden while facing increased interest expenses. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook and strategy. In the short term, they expect significant milestones such as submitting an NDA application for T-9591 by Q4 2025 and completing enrollment for its phase III clinical trial by Q2 2026. They also plan to explore combination trials with existing cancer treatments and invest in research and development to create new drugs with innovative mechanisms of action. The company will focus on developing ADCs using cutting-edge technologies, establish a commercialization team, and adopt a dual-engine approach to drive growth through both internal efforts and external partnerships. Additionally, they will participate in a newly formed fund as a limited partner to further expand their reach and capabilities. Overall, management's strategy emphasizes innovation, investment, and strategic partnerships to drive the company forward. The company's financial summary reveals that it has not distributed any dividends to its shareholders. Furthermore, there is no record of the company engaging in share buybacks, indicating a focus on retaining earnings for future growth rather than returning value to investors through these means. That concludes the financial summary for TYK Medicines-B. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.